Guys, I didn't hit record. I don't know where it stopped. I don't know what the last clip is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and for today's video I'm doing a rainbow look that it was kind of inspired by my cousin. However, it's Pride Month, so I think it was just very fitting with the theme. I do have some new products that I got and I wanted to try. They're not new to the market per se, but it's my first time using them, so that's what I mean by trying new products. So I do have a few items I want to highlight, as well as the focus is going to be the eye. The thumbnail, you would see the look that I created. Yeah, this is the look I'm doing. That's my cousin. Hey girl. So I'm just trying to see what color she used, so I'm gonna try to make the look my own, but that's kind of the inspiration for today's video. So the first thing I'm using will be the e.l.f. putty primer. I know a lot of people have been using this and comparing it to the Tatcha silk canvas, which I have, and I like it because it's so soft and it almost feels like skincare and makeup in one, which I really appreciate. So if this is anything like it, then I'm definitely gonna love this because this is a fraction of the price. Okay, it definitely feels the same. So after I apply my face, I do like to set it with translucent powder or setting powder, just so I can have a matte base to work with, because I prefer that. Okay, so because we're using color today, bright colors at that, I'm going to be mixing my P. Louise bases. This is Rumor 1 and Rumor 5. So Rumor 5 is like a highlighted tone for my skin tone, and Rumor 1 is like a really light base. So I'm gonna try to mix those to get a nice, light enough base, but not stark white. Yeah, this was way too much, so I'm just gonna clean up these areas. I know you don't need to set the P. Louise base, you just give it time to dry, but I'm gonna set it. This is the Juvia's Place Warrior 3, if it would open. So this is the palette I'm gonna use. I have the yellow, the blue, the green, and these two for the pinky purple. So that's what I think I'm gonna use. So I'm starting with the yellow and I'm dabbing it in the inner corner. Then I'm gonna work my way out with the other colors. This is very green. She used a lighter green, but oh my god, this G's and P's. These look very Jamaica, very sports day. It's not bad, but it's yeah, let's just move on with the blue. So I'm gonna mix both of these two. I don't think this look on my face is giving the picture any justice. Like, I don't understand why that come out so. This went left like really quickly. I'm gonna take this is the Warrior 2 palette. I'm gonna take this color and just kind of blend above it in my transition to kind of give it because like My favorite clown had that. I'm gonna try to finish it just to see if it really looks appropriate. If not, then I'll just scrap this video and like do another look because it's creepy. Okay, so I'm gonna do a wing, but I want to add this e.l.f. liquid glitter. It's liquid eyeshadow with glitter specks and it's called Black Magic. I really wanted to use this with an eyeliner, so I think I'm gonna try that today. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the base of my wing, let it dry, and then I go over with the eyeliner. I really don't think I can make it any worse, so we're just gonna finish it up and see what it looks like. The base that I use, I'm just gonna use it to clean up the wing. I don't know what these are called. I think they're like pencil brushes, whatever they are. They always come in sets, so that's what I'm gonna use to outline the liquid glitter on the wing. Okay, so it's not too bad. I want to see how it looks like with like a finished full face before I write out this video. For face, I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place, the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. So I got it in the shade 310 Burkina, and I'm gonna be highlighting with the I Am Magic Concealer, which is in the shade 13. I haven't used it yet, so I really hope this is my shade because I use the shade, what's it called? The shade match chart on their website, or no, on their Instagram page. So yeah, it should be my shade. So it looks a little dark and a little orange, so I don't know if maybe I selected the wrong undertone. And now I'm gonna contour with my Black Radiance foundation stick in Espresso. So I like to go over with my foundation brush and just dissolve both the contour and the highlight into one, so they don't look crazy. First, I'm going to set my contour. I look extremely bronze and tan. I don't mind, but it's like I haven't been this tan and bronze in a long time, especially having to be in the house, so it's just kind of funny. So I'm just lightly setting underneath my eyes before I bake. I'm gonna take this really cute blue and I'm gonna smudge it underneath my waterline. I'm choosing between either these two. They're Beauty Supply lashes. I think I'm gonna go with the bolder one since we're doing such a bold look. This is the M302A, so that's the one I'm gonna use. I don't know what it is, but girl, our boy. I don't know how I doubted myself again. Listen, we're gonna stop doubting ourselves all for the rest of the year, okay? It's too much going on for us to doubt ourselves right now. But lashes, let me tell you something. You see, lashes take you from to I say it to you for real. Like, So I'm gonna go in with my Milani blush. This is in Spiced Rose. I'm definitely gonna do a highlighter. I'm gonna be using the Aina La Bronze highlighter. Guys, I didn't hit record. I don't know where it stopped. I don't know what the last clip is. Yeah, so I'm gonna redo what I did. I'm just gonna go over and show you what I did. So I used this old mascara and I just fixed my brows in place. Yeah, I probably shouldn't overdo it. So that's what I did. A little highlighter on today. I was feeling, you know. So this is the Aina La Bronze collaboration by artist Couture. I do believe this is limited edition and it's out of stock, but you can get a lot of like rose gold type of highlighter. I set everything over the skin because I like to look like I'm glowing from under the skin or I'm blushing from under the skin. I use my matte mineralized skin finish for the entire like face just to set everything before I use the setting spray. So anyways, I'm gonna change for the official outro and thumbnail and I'll see you guys. So I took a quick lunch break. So I have to redo my lips. I'm going in with Downtown Beauty by NYX. And I'm going in with Skinny Dipping by Wet n Wild. Blend that together and then I'm gonna go in with Peach Bellini. It's a lip plumping gloss, so it does tingle. Well, it burns a little bit. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really love it. Like, I always shy away from colors, but I really do a pretty good job if I do say so myself. Like, it's really cute. Like, I really think if you were even wearing like a sexy latex like pink or purple, this would go great with it. Even though it's not like everyday wearable, there are occasions where this is appropriate and this is really cute. I definitely love the detail with the wing liner. I really think that's what took the look over the top, as well as bold fluffy lashes. And I really like that. Even though I doubt myself in the beginning of the video, I really like that I stick to my looks right through at the end because it is cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. I love when you guys comment. I love responding to you guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye, sweethearts.